Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Omaha Steak Burger. Now let me show you how to make this. Okay, the first thing we got to do is make the sauce. And we're going to start this off by adding 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. I'm just going to eyeball it here. About that much. And then you want to add about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped chives. And then you want to add 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And then you want to add in 3 tablespoons of horseradish sauce. And then you want to add about 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. All right, and then you want to grab a spoon and mix this together till everything is incorporated. And then you want to grab a piece of Reynolds wrap, saran wrap, clear film, whatever you want to call it, and put this over the top and leave this in the fridge for at least 10 minutes before our burgers are done. Okay. Got our Omaha burgers on the grill. Nothing really, well, the only thing special is this is actually ground sirloin. Again, the camera fucked up, so you didn't get the grinding. But yeah, then just standard burger seasoning that I picked up at my local grocery store. And yeah, give these a couple more minutes till they're done. And the last thing we have to do is put some cheese on these burgers. Now, these burgers are 3rd pounders, so I like to add 2 slices of cheese and a nice little Star of David. And that's white cheddar, in case you're wondering. All right, let's give the cheese a chance to melt up. Okay. Let's start assembly. We've got our nicely toasted brioche bun right here. And followed by some shredded iceberg lettuce, or as I call it, shreddis. This is the best lettuce for burgers, my opinion. And then you want to add a patty. And then you want to add some of that sauce that we made. Just let it get all gooey and ooey over there. It's a burger. Doesn't have to be a super clean dish. And then drop the bun. Top it there. And that's it. The Omaha Steak Burger. Done.